idea.
Yeah, me too. Look at all these blocks. It's building time. Woohoo!
Oh, yeah, I'm getting in there too. I love blocks.
Oh, Elmo has an idea. Let's build a block city.
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
Oh, that's awesome. You know, I actually want to be an architect and design buildings for real. So I'm going to build the best block city ever with giant skyscrapers.
And I'm building Castle Kadabi. Huzzah!
I'm building a sports stadium.
Oh, cool. Oh, wait, Elmo's building a house in Elmoville. It's a very nice town.
My first skyscraper is done. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa!
Awesome.
Nice.
Whoa! How is that not falling over? Do you know magic?
Nope. I know architecture. I just need some more blocks for my next tower. I used all mine up. Just gonna grab some of my blocks right here. There. And then
There, okay? And then,
Please, please, please. Yeah.
this one's gonna be even taller. I'll make the biggest block skyscraper ever. Here.
wait a minute. Elmo doesn't have enough blocks to build a roof for his house. Elmo hopes it doesn't rain in Elmoville.
Yeah. Well, I'm out of blocks too.
Oh.
I can't finish my castle.
Oh, and my sports stadium isn't even close to being finished.
Well, we need more blocks, but, well, Wes kind of took them all.
Yes, it's almost a block tower skyscraper record. I just have to make it a little bit taller. Oh, no, it can't be yellow. It's gotta be a different
Son?
color. What
Well,
color can it be?
the rest of us are out of blocks. Do you think you could share some of yours? You know, it's supposed to be a city that we're all helping to build.
Okay, no, it just needs to be taller. I can't find the right blocks, though.
Yeah, he gets really caught up when he's building. Oh, but I know what to do. Stop, notice, think. Wesson,
That's great.
how about we stop?
Oh, oops, I was getting carried away again, huh?
Yep, it happens. Just take a moment to notice what's around you.
Wait, why haven't you finished your buildings yet?
Great noticing. Now, think about how we might be feeling.
Well, you might be upset that you can't finish your buildings because I took all the blocks.
Yeah, great job. Stopping, noticing, and thinking.
Oh, sorry, everybody. I'll take my second skyscraper apart, and you can have all the blocks. You know, I really want us to build this city together.
Ah, that's great, Wes.
Thanks. Hear ye, hear ye! Castle Kadabi is finished! Huzzah!
Yeah, great job, Abby. Oh, Elmo's house in Elmoville finally has a roof.
And I finished my sports stadium.
Oh, cool.
See? Great things can happen when everyone shares and cooperates. We just needed to stop, notice, and think. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Are you sure you're not using magic, Wes?